Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I think you are quite well, and extensive and intensive study you read. Yesterday, I have discussed microwave, radio wave, X-rays, and wavelength of violet, indigo, green, yellow, so many times. Now, we will solve some numerical problem based on electromagnetic waves. Our first numerical is a plane electromagnetic waves travels in vacuum. A plane electromagnetic waves travel in a vacuum along z direction. What can you say about the direction of its electric and magnetic field vectors? If frequency of the wave is 30 megahertz. Now frequency 30 megahertz. We know 1 megahertz is equal to 10 power 6 hertz. That is 30 into 10 power 6 hertz. Frequency of the wave is 30 megahertz. What is its wavelength? You have to find its wavelength. Now, since plane electromagnetic wave travel in vacuum along z direction, therefore we can say electric and magnetic field vectors will travel along x and y direction. Electric and magnetic field vectors, magnetic field vector travel along electric and magnetic field vectors travel along x and y direction. Now we know lambda is equal to c upon nu. C is the speed of light, lambda is the wavelength, and nu is the frequency. You know speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and frequency 30 into 10 power 6. 3 10 ja, that is 10 meter. Wavelength, its wavelength is 10 meter. Now we will discuss next question, that is numerical number 2. Numerical number 2. A radio can tune into an station. A radio can tune into any station in the 7.5 megahertz to 1200 megahertz band. What is the corresponding wavelength of band? Radio can tunes into any station in the 7.5 megahertz. This is the frequency nu 1 7.5 megahertz, and nu 2 is equal to 12 megahertz. You have to find what is the corresponding wavelength band. What is the corresponding wavelength band? 1 megahertz 10 power 6 hertz, that is 7.5 into 10 power 6 hertz, and 12 megahertz 12 into 10 power 6 hertz. You have to find wavelength. Lambda is equal to c upon nu 1 c 3 into 10 power 8 and nu 1 7.5 into 10 power 6. We can write point. When we remove point, we increase 0, 30 upon 75, and we take 1/10 from here. That is 300 into 10 power 7 upon 10 power 6. 4 times, that is 4 into 10, that is 40 meter. 40 meter. Lambda 2 is equal to C upon nu 2, that is 3 into 10 power 8 upon 12. We take it 3 4 ja, sorry 12 into 10 power 6. 12 into 10 power 6, then it become 4 ja, and that is 100 upon 4, that is 25 meter. Now first one is 40 meter and second one is 25 meter. Now we will discuss question numerical number 3rd. Our next numerical is numerical 3rd. The amplitude of the magnetic field part of a harmonic electromagnetic wave. The amplitude of the magnetic field part of a harmonic electromagnetic wave in vacuum is B0 510 nanotesla. B0 510 nanotesla. 1 nanotesla, you know, 10 power minus 9 tesla. That is 510 into 10 power minus 9 tesla. The amplitude of the magnetic field part of the vacuum is B0 is equal to 510 nanotesla. What is the amplitude of electric field part of the wave? What is the amplitude of the electric field part of the wave? We know C is equal to E0 upon B0, and from here electric field part E0 is equal to C B0. Speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 into magnetic field part 510 into 10 power minus 9, that is 1530 into this become 10 power minus 1, then we transfer to the denominator, that is 153 joule per Newton per coulomb is equal to F upon Q, Newton per coulomb. Newton per coulomb. Now we will discuss numerical 4. Numerical 4th. Suppose that the electric field amplitude of electromagnetic wave, electric field amplitude of an electromagnetic wave is E0 is equal to 120 Newton per coulomb, and its frequency nu is equal to 50 megahertz, that is 50 into 10 power 6 hertz, that is 5 into 10 power 7 hertz. Now you have to determine B0 omega, k and lambda. And in second part you have to determine for expression, find expression for E electric field and magnetic field. Now we know C is equal to E0 upon V0. First you have to find V0. V0 is equal to E0 upon C. E0 120 upon 3 into 10 power 8, that is 40 into 10 power minus 8, that is 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter per second. Sorry, magnetic field. You have to find magnetic field. Thus this is the 40 into 10 power minus 8. We can find 4 into 10 power minus 7. If we multiply by 100 and divide by 100, then what we get? This become 400 into 10 power minus 9. You can write 400 nano Tesla, because 1 nano Tesla is equal to 10 power minus 9 Tesla. Now you have to find second part, omega. Omega is equal to 2 pi nu. 2 into 3.14 into nu, 5 into 10 power 7. Then it become 2 zeros cancelled from this, 314, 5 to the 10, sorry 10, that is 10 power 8, then 314 into 10 power 6, 314 into 10 power 6. We can write it, if we divide by and multiply by 100, we shall divide and multiply by 100, then it become 3.14 into 10 power 8 radian per second. This is the angular frequency. 3.14 into 10 power 8 radian per second. Now you have to find K. K is equal to angular wave number. You know K. K is equal to 2 pi upon lambda. Angular wave number you have to find. K is equal to 2 pi upon lambda. That is 2 pi upon C upon nu. That is 2 pi nu upon C. 2 into 3.14 nu, 5 into 10 power 7, 5 into 10 power 7 upon C, 3 into 10 power 8. Speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8. When we solve this, we get 1.05 radian per second. Now you have to find lambda. Fourth part. Lambda is equal to C upon nu, that is 3 into 10 power 8 upon nu, 5 into 10 power 7, that is 0.6 into 10, that is 6 meter. This is the fourth part. Now you have to find expression for E and B. Expression for E and B. Suppose electromagnetic wave moving along x-axis. Suppose B part, suppose electromagnetic wave moving along x axis. We know E is equal to E0 sin kx minus omega t. E is equal to E0 sin kx minus omega t. Now we will put the value of E0. We have found the value of E0 is 120 sin, what is the value of k? 1.05 x minus omega 3.14 into 10 power 8, 3.14 into 10 power 8 t. Now you have to find magnetic field B. B is equal to 400 sin kx, k 1.05 x minus 3.14 into 10 power 8 t. E is equal to 120 sin 1.05 minus 3.14 into 10 power 8, and B is equal to 400 sin 1.05 x minus 3.14 into 10 power 8 t. Now we will discuss next numerical. Our next numerical is question number 5. In a plane electromagnetic wave, the electric field oscillates sinusoidally at a frequency of 2 into 10 power 10 hertz. Frequency nu 2 into 10 power 10 hertz, and amplitude 48 volt per meter. In an electromagnetic wave, the electric field oscillates. Electric field, this is the, because unit of electric field is volt per meter, therefore electric field E 48 volt per meter. In a plane electromagnetic wave, the electric field oscillates sinusoidally at a frequency of 2 into 10 power 10 hertz and amplitude 48 volt per meter. What is the wavelength of the wave? Second, what is the amplitude of the oscillating magnetic field? Third, so that average energy density of E, electric field E, equals the average energy density of magnetic field B, and it is given C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now first you have to find what is the wavelength. What is the wavelength? We know lambda is equal to C by nu. Lambda is equal to C upon nu, that is 3 into 10 power 8 upon 2 into 10 power minus minus 2, that is 1.5 into frequency is 10 power 10, that is 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Wavelength is 1.5 into 10 power minus 2. Now you have to find magnetic field. B is equal to C is equal to E0 upon B0, that is B0 is equal to E0 upon C. Now E0 48 upon 3 into 10 power 8, that is 16 into 10 power minus 8 meter per second. 16 into 10 power minus 8 meter per second. You can also write 1.6 into 10 power minus 7 meter per second. Third, you have to find so that energy density, average energy density of electric field. Energy density, you know what is energy per unit volume is known as energy density. Energy density UE, this is the second part and this is third part. Mu energy density half epsilon 0 E square, half epsilon 0, value of epsilon 0 is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 into E 48 into 48. When we solve this, we get 10 power minus 8 joule per meter cube. This is the energy density for the electric field part. Now energy density for magnetic field part, UB is equal to mu square B square upon 2 mu 0. UB is equal to B square upon 2 mu 0. Now B0 1.6 into 10 power minus 7, 1.6 into 10 power minus 7 square upon 2, and value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Value of mu 0, permeability in vacuum, its value is 10 power minus 8. When we solve it, we get 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8 joule per meter cube. Thus, what we see, UE is equal to UB. UE, electric field part, is equal to UB, magnetic field part. Now, we will discuss next question. Numerical number 6. Our next numerical is numerical number 6. The relative electrical permittivity of a medium is 9. Relative electrical permittivity of a medium is 9, and relative permeability is close to unity. Relative permeability is close to unity. What is the speed of electromagnetic wave in the medium? First, relative electrical permittivity is mu r is 9. Mu r is 9. We know, relative electrical permittivity, that is epsilon r. We know epsilon r is equal to epsilon upon epsilon 0. That is epsilon is equal to, this value is 9 is equal to epsilon upon epsilon 0. Then epsilon is equal to 9 epsilon 0. Epsilon is equal to 9 epsilon 0. Now, and relative permeability is unity. Mu r, you know, mu upon mu 0. This is 1 is equal to mu upon mu 0. Mu is equal to 1 into mu 0. We know what is the relation between speed of light and mu 0 epsilon 0. C is equal to 1 upon under root mu 0 epsilon 0. And speed of electromagnetic wave in medium, speed of electromagnetic wave in medium, V is equal to 1 upon mu epsilon. Speed of electromagnetic wave in medium, speed of electromagnetic wave in medium, C is equal to 1 upon under root mu epsilon, and C is equal to 1 upon under root mu r epsilon r. C is equal to 1 upon mu r. First we will find speed of electromagnetic wave in medium, that is mu is equal to 1 into mu 0. Then C is equal to 1 upon under root 1 mu 0 into epsilon 9 epsilon 0. 9 epsilon 0. That is C is equal to 1 upon under root 9 mu 0 epsilon 0. C is equal to, and we know C is equal to 1 upon under root mu epsilon. Then we can write it, C is equal to 1 upon 3 under root mu 0 epsilon 0. And we also know C is equal to, since C is equal to 1 upon under root mu 0 epsilon 0, therefore this is the speed of electromagnetic wave in medium, so we will denote by V. This is V, and this value 1 upon under root mu 0 epsilon 0 is C. Therefore V is equal to C upon 3. V is equal to C upon 3. Now we will discuss numerical number 7. Our next numerical, that is 7. Arrange the following electromagnetic wave in order of increasing frequency. First, gamma rays, microwave, infrared rays and ultraviolet rays. Increasing frequency you have to arrange. Increasing frequency, first gamma rays. This frequency greater than ultraviolet ultraviolet, this is greater than infrared ray, infrared ray, this is greater than microwave, microwave. This is the increasing order of frequency, that is gamma rays is greater than frequency of gamma rays is greater than ultraviolet, greater than infrared ray, greater than microwave. Now we will discuss next numerical, that is 8. Our next numerical number 8. Name the electromagnetic radiation used for detecting fake currency. You know which electromagnetic radiation is used for the fake currency? Ultraviolet rays. Now this answer of used electromagnetic radiation used to detect fake currency, UV radiation. Now we will discuss next numerical. Our next numerical is numerical number 9. An electromagnetic wave traveling through a medium has electric field vector. Here electric field vector is given Ey is equal to 4 into 10 power 5 cos 3.14 into 10 power 8t minus 1.57 x Newton per Coulomb. An electromagnetic wave traveling through a medium has an electric field vector. This where x is in meter and t is in second. Now you have to find wavelength, second frequency, third direction of propagation, fourth speed of wave, fifth refractive index of the medium, sixth amplitude of magnetic field vector. We will compare first this equation with electric field vector, that is Ey is equal to E0 cos omega t minus kx. Compare Ey is equal to E0 cos omega t minus kx. We will compare this equation by electric field Ey. From here we get E0 is equal to 4 into 10 power 5 Newton per Coulomb. Electric field vector E0 is equal to 4 into 10 power 5 Newton per Coulomb. And omega, this is omega is equal to 3.14 into 10 power 8 radian per second, omega radian per second. And k, angular wave number 1.57, this is also k radian per meter, radian per meter. Now you have to calculate nu is equal to omega upon 2 pi. न्यू इक्वल टू ओमेगा अपॉन 2 पाई। ओमेगा, वैल्यू ऑफ ओमेगा 3.14 इंटू 10 पावर 8 अपॉन 2 इंटू 3.14, that is we take 5 into 10 power 7 hertz, 10 into 10 power 7 upon 2, that is 5 into 10 power 7 hertz. Now you have to calculate direction of propagation is positive x direction. Direction of propagation is positive x direction. Direction of propagation is positive x direction. Now you have to calculate v is equal to omega upon k. Omega 3.14 into 10 power 8 upon k 1.57. When we solve this, we get 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now we have to calculate fifth part, that is mu. Mu is equal to c upon v. C upon v, c 3 into 10 power 8 and v 2 into 10 power 8, that is 1.5. This is the refractive index, speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Now you have to find sixth part, c is equal to E0 upon V0. E0 4 into E0. Here we will find magnetic field. V0 is equal to E0 upon C, that is E0 4 into 10 power 5 upon C 3 into 10 power 8. When we solve this, we get 1.33 into 10 power minus 3, and unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Thus we have calculated this value. Thank you.